Alright, so that tundra that I had, no start unless you move this telescoping. What I figured out, inside this little white box here holds the harnesses, and I got this already spliced together just to verify it, but this is the wire I found broken, the green one. So I just got it just like that, just for right now. And she starts up without any problems now. So I'm going to go ahead and repair this wiring and call it a day and get back to the customer. So that's just a little update on you guys. For those who are having this symptom, all because of this little electric telescoping steering wheel. Over time it just keeps moving back and forth. After a while the wire's got to give up somehow. That's what he had problems here.